Nowadays, most of us in dilemma, should we purchase a cycle online or local store? If you are purchasing a cycle online, then 20 to 30% assembly is required, and for that you need knowledge. This video will help you to take correct decision, and you will learn how to assemble a cycle after purchasing it from online. Hello friends, hope you are doing good. I am Chandrachud Adhikari. Welcome to my channel Explore Review. Let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of both scenarios. Wide range of variety with customer review which will help you to select correct cycle for you. Limited variety and you need to trust shopkeeper opinion in case of local store purchase. Comparatively price is cheaper because most of the cycles are getting delivered directly to your doorstep from warehouse. But in local store purchase, shopkeeper will keep their margin, so price will be on higher side. I purchased this cycle against 4,700 rupees from Flipkart in Big Billion Day sale, where the local shopkeeper was asking 6,000 rupees for the sale. Assembly is required in online purchase because most of the cycles are getting delivered in 80% assembled state. But in local store purchase, you don't need to worry about it because most of the things will be done by expert. Shipping time is required, in my case it took 10 days. But in local store purchase, you don't need to wait for that. The item will be readily available whatever they have in their store. Coming to that warranty part, if you are going to claim the warranty in case of local store purchase, you don't need to worry about it because shopkeeper will do that on behalf of you. But in case of online purchase, you need to directly contact with the vendor and do the things accordingly. Replacement will be hassle in online purchase because you need to wait for it and shipping time is there. But in local store purchase, you may not that replacement because you are taking the cycle after verifying it and taking it test ride. In case if you need replacement, you can approach local store and you will get the replacement if the parts is readily available with them. So these are the all advantage and disadvantages. Based on that, you can take that correct decision for you. If you worried about to do that assemble part, in this video I am going to teach you how to do assemble in step by step. I have split this video in various chapters so that you can jump to that your required section. I was not able to dictate while doing the assembly because I was doing it first time and lots of brainstorming was required. So I recorded the assembling video and then voiceover during editing. If I missed any part, please comment and let me know. I will try to provide you the complete information for that. Let's jump to that. In this bag, you will get all the accessories and tools which is required to assemble the cycle like wrench, Allen key, all these things. First, we will fix the handle. Let's do the unwrapping of it. Unzip the bag and take out all the accessories and tools. Because to fix the handle you need Allen key which is provided in this bag. There are two types of Allen keys. Observe the cycle handle stem. Stem bolt should be aligned with stem according to angle cut. You can refer to the picture as well. Now push it to insert like this way. You may need to try more than once depending on your pressure. But in my opinion, it would be good if you can push multiple times and make sure that handle is fixed properly. Otherwise, it will give you a trouble while you are riding. Now, firmly tight the top Allen key bolt with provided Allen key. Handle is fixed now. Now you need to reverse the cycle. Handle will be placed on top of the floor because we need to place the wheel on top of the handle fork slot. The nut stem will be inserted properly into that. A washer latch is there. That latch needs to be inserted into that handle fork hole. Here you go. Just fix the nut, don't tight it, because you need to do the same thing on other side. Place the washer in similar way. Yes, this side is also done. Now you need to tight both nuts proportionate way, otherwise wheel will be unbalanced. If one side is tightened properly and another side is loose, then the wheel alignment would not be good. Place the cycle in proper way. Now fix the handle brakes. Brakes are already there, you need to tight it. Brake should be in parallel of handle. Make the necessary adjustment and tight it properly. Now get the seat rod and seat from accessories bag. Insert the rod back of the seat. Clamp is already fixed under the seat. Firmly tight the bolt. And make sure it's not rotating. Insert the other end of that seat rod into that pipe. Make the necessary adjustment according to your height or requirement, then fix the bolt. Now fixing the left pedal. Insert the pedal thread into the pedal rod hole. Then rotate the nut anti-clockwise. Tighten it properly. Otherwise, it may come out from of the rod during riding. Now go to the other side and fix the right pedal. Similar way, insert the thread into the pedal hole. Here you need to rotate the nut clockwise. Initially I did mistake. I was rotating it anti-clockwise. Now both the pedal fixed. Mudguards are made of plastic. You need to fix the clamp underneath the seat rod. For rear mudguard, few diameter adjuster came with this, but those are not required in my case. There are 3 screws to fix and adjust the angle of that mudguard. These screws can be operated through hand. You can use screwdriver if you want, but that is not required. Here is one U-clamp which is fixed in reverse way. You need to insert the front mudguard under this U-clamp and fix this with the provided nut and bolt. Here you need screwdriver and wrench to tighten this one. Fixing the front reflector is the easiest part of this assembly. You need to fix this with a 4-headed screw. Similar way, you need to fix the rear reflector underneath the seat. Place the zipper into the bottle holder. Now your cycle is totally ready. My daughter is not able to place her feet properly on ground, needs side support wheel. Order the same. I will show you how to fix those in rear wheel once those are delivered. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like and share.